Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to use Incredibox. Incredibox is pretty easy, almost like Songmaker but in a different kind of way. You can choose these kind of little songs. Some you they might be locked, you just have to sign in or download the app, but the ones on top are just free. So as you might be wondering what is Incredibox. Incredibox look like this, which is pretty awesome to use. So I just chose the love for some reason, but it's actually a nice app and site you can use. You can use it on mobile, tablet, and on PC, which was pretty easy. So the first thing you really want to do is to type Incredibox and press the one that says music video game. Then press the first thing that comes up on Google. Then they'll take you to Incredibox. So this is the home page of Incredibox. But if you want to download the app, you can just press download app. But right now, we're just going to use try web version for just an easy start. Then they'll take us to demo, which we will choose something pretty easy. So they'll put this, then they'll put Alpha, Little Miss, Sunrise to Love, Brazil Alive, G-Van, and Dystopia. So you have to choose one of these. You can choose Little Miss, Alpha, Sunrise, or The Love because the ones over here are locked. So you can choose some things. And sorry guys, it's my little brother crying. So I'm gonna choose, let's say, Sunrise. When they put the little check on top of Sunrise, they will take you to Sunrise, which will be pretty easy. And they would also put the topping of Sunrise, which would be the coolest part to see. Let's just wait for it to load. It might be a bit laggy sometimes, so you'll have to choose it again and again, if they will let you in. So now my Google is a bit laggy and doesn't work that much, so I'm just going to move on up to here, which I already got my Sunrise on from Incredibox. So we'll just have to wait for the best thing to load. Might take a while, but we'll have to wait. So I'll just go back to Google and wait until it's done. There we go. Our Sunrise in Incredibox is done loading. When it's done, you have to press this button that has a triangle, which means let's go. They'll take you to this place and they also give you a drag and drop. They'll give you just a little hint on what to do. So these men are what you're going to use with these outfits. Let's try this for an example. If you put it on anyone, look how their eyeballs roll, so they see where it's going. One example, let's putting it over here. It makes sounds. And that was a good one. So now what we're going to do is choose another one that you want. Let's try this one. Let's hear it. That's cool. Thank you so much for watching how to use Incredibox. Like and subscribe. Always be healthy. Bye.